This video is on how to make a non-alcoholic Jalapeño Cilantro Margarita. This one's on the rocks. I'll have a video showing you how to make the frozen version coming out soon. These are the items you need to get started. A shaker cup, agave nectar, Himalayan pink salt, sea salt, tahini, orange sparkling water, in this case I'm using orange mango sparkling water, fresh cilantro, a lime squeezer, fresh lime, fresh jalapeno, and the most important ingredient is what you see here in the middle. This is a homemade Jalapeño Cilantro Simple Syrup that I made myself. It's really easy to make. I'll make sure to include a link to that video at the end of this one. From this point on, instead of saying Jalapeño Cilantro Simple Syrup, I'm just going to refer to it as Simple Syrup. I do want to stress the importance of making your own simple syrup. It doesn't take much time, it's very easy, and it's much better than the store-bought kind. The recipe I'm going to show you here today is just for one serving, but if you need to make 2 glasses or 3, just double or triple up on the ingredients. Let's get started. Add 2 ounces of simple syrup, which is about 4 tablespoons. Cut 3 limes in half. Squeeze all the lime halves into a container. Off camera, I added just a splash of agave nectar to the measuring cup. Now I'm going to add the lime juice and my simple syrup. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of sparkling orange mango soda into the measuring cup. If you don't want it to be as sweet as the one I'm making here, then maybe just add a splash. Now add the Himalayan pink salt, sea salt, and the tahini together on a plate. Coat the rim of the glass with a lime wedge. Now rub the rim of the glass on the salt until you're satisfied with the way it looks. Even though I'm going to be pouring this into a glass that has ice in it already, I'm going to go ahead and add ice to the shaker to start cooling it down. Now add all the ingredients to the shaker, mix it up for a few seconds, and pour it into the glass of your choice. Now garnish it with fresh cilantro, a lime wedge, and it wouldn't be complete without the umbrella. And if you like, add a straw. Normally I would garnish this with a jalapeno slice, but I'm making this one for my daughter, and I think she prefers it without the jalapeno. Don't forget to check out my video on how to make Jalapeño Cilantro Simple Syrup. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.